Now we go back to the beginning days of quantum physics in the 1920s. Heisenberg, one of the co-discoverers, already said that what happens in the observer effect, that whenever an observer measures, possibilities become actuality. What happens is that a change in our knowledge of the object is taking place. First, we know only possibilities and their probabilities. We have a vague notion that the electron may be here, there, with varying probabilities. Alexei, can you show me that bell curve? The one that shows a bell curve. Oh, he will bring that up soon. So, there it is. After the observation, we know exactly where the electron is. Before, we know only the probability and possibility. After, we know more detail. Change in our knowledge. What does that tell you? The word knowledge, of course, has to do with to know. And to the word consciousness, con means come to, which means with. And the rest of the word consciousness comes from a Latin word scire, which means to know. So consciousness is a vehicle to know with. So if the whole idea of quantum measurement, observation, is to produce a change in knowledge, the agency of it must be consciousness, because that's the vehicle with which we know. The picture on your left is showing the single slit. A single slit goes through, a particle goes through a single slit and produces an image which is slightly blurred because of quantum possibilities playing a role, but image is basically faithful to the slit. Nothing much extension of possibilities. Yes, the image, the electron can fall a little bit outside of what you expect, but not very much. But if an electron goes through a double slit, then tremendous change takes place. Tremendous change takes place and this can be understood in terms of electrons being waves of possibility very easily. How do you know that electrons are really interfering with itself? We know that by doing a very slow electron going through double slit one at a time. Even when we pass the electrons one at a time, even then we find that the double slit structure is continued. So this is the proof that there really is a domain of possibility. There really is where the electron is a wave of possibility, where it really splits up on a double slit and then creates this interference. This leaves no doubt about what you're constructing quantum reality as is the correct one.